Good morning students, Saira. Welcome back once again. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at your places. Children, today we will not start any new chapter. We are not going to read any new chapter. Do you know what we are going to do today? We are going to do one activity. Yes, we are going to do one activity. I know you all love activity. You all love to do activity. So today we are going to do activity which is based on bread mold. So we are going to do activity which is bread mold. So children, our aim is to observe the growth of mold on a slice of bread. Our aim is to observe the growth of mold on a slice of bread. So what is mold? In the last video we have learned about the mold. In the last chapter, that is adaptation in plant, we have learned that the things that grow on the slice of bread is called mold. So mold are example of fungi, and you know that fungi grow on dead and rotten material. So what is mold? The thing that grow on the slice of bread is called mold, and molds are the example of fungi, and fungi grow on dead and rotting material. So children, let's start our activity. Children, what you need for this activity? You need a slice of bread, a plastic zipper bag. If you don't have a plastic zipper bag, you can use one plastic box. Here I am using a lunch box, plastic lunch box, and water to spray on the bread. So let's start our activity. How you have to do? You have to sprinkle a little water on a slice of bread. After sprinkling a little water, you have to keep this slice of bread in this plastic zipper bag. After keeping a slice of bread in plastic bag, just close the zip of this bag. If you don't have this plastic zipper bag, you can use a plastic box. Here I am using a lunch box. So just open your lunch box. Just keep the same slice of bread, a sprinkle wet bread, a sliced bread in the lunch box. Close it. Children, now you have to place this box in your lobby or some place outside of your home where it will be undisturbed for few days. After few days, just check your box. Children, after few days, when you will check the bread, you will observe that molds are grown on the slice of bread like this. It will be white in color, black, or maybe of green. So this is the bread mold. So our aim is to observe the growth of mold on a slice of bread. At the end, after few days, you will observe that molds are grown on the slice of bread. Children, let's see a quick recap what the things you are required for your activity and steps how you have to do this activity. So children, the things you will need for this experiment or activity: a bread, a slice of bread, water, plastic zipper bag or plastic box. In our activity we have used a plastic box. And how you have to perform this activity: you have to take a slice of bread, you have to sprinkle water on a slice of bread, then you have to put the bread in the plastic bag and seal it with the tape. If you don't have plastic bag, you can place the bread in a plastic box. After that, you have to place this plastic box in your balcony or some place outside the home where it will be undisturbed for few days. After few days, you have to check the growth of mold on the bread. Then what you have to do, you have to take a picture of the mold bread. Yes, you have to take the picture of that mold bread. So children, this is our today's activity, and you all have to do this activity at your home.